Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This time I will be talking about how to make your laptop or PC's Wi-Fi speed faster on Windows 11. Whether you're a gamer, a streamer, or a casual browser, these tips will definitely come in handy for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. Process 1. Change DNS server. First, what you need to do is click the search bar on your window and search Network Connections. When it shows here, open it up and look for your Wi-Fi adapter or Ethernet. The settings will be the same for both, so just select the one you're using. I can see my Wi-Fi adapter here, so I'll just right-click on it. Here, I will select Properties. Now we need to select Internet Protocol version 4 here and then go to Properties. In here, check on the option Use the following DNS server addresses. Now we have to enter the preferred DNS server, which is 1.1.1.1. And for the alternative DNS server, select 1.0.0.1. So this is the cloud DNS, and a very great one at that. So it'll make your internet process faster. Now you will notice a significant leap in speed after these settings are enabled, and your Wi-Fi options will also increase. So if you found this video helpful, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.